It's on a high-speed flyby. It's about as fast as it gets with this one. That's the first barrel roll I've done with this one. It rolls really slowly, so it's risky to turn it upside down because it'd take a while to get right side up again. Couldn't keep up.
Sounds like it's running out of battery already.
No, I'm running it really low.
Oh.
And that sound is basically just from it flying past us.
Hmm.
The Doppler effect throws off the sound. That was about as slow as it could fly right there. I'll do another slow.
I can't, when you do that, I can't see.
Well, excuse me if the camera can't keep up with the fun.
No, it's because of the sun in the background.
Oh.